completely reimagined our mixer design from the ground up, resulting in a drum that lasts up to an estimated 2.5 times longer. By using stronger, more durable materials for the blades, we've extended their lifespan, and our redesigned shaft makes repairs much simpler, eliminating the need for complete rebuilds. These patent-pending design and material upgrades address the production and maintenance concerns of ready-mix and RCC producers across the nation, and together the all-new HM10-V enhancements deliver more control, less downtime, stronger materials, and easier maintenance, resulting in increased production and profits for you. Reduce downtime by up to 95% with the new shaft designed to clamp together. This enables faster disassembly and removal of the drum. A replacement drum can easily be shipped to any location.